welcome back to my YouTube. Now in today's video I am collaborating with a very well-known beauty brand. Let's just get straight into the video. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm working with Urban Decay on their Big Bush brow range. I'm honestly so excited to show you all the products and yeah, basically just give my review on everything. This is the PR parcel for the Urban Decay Big Bush brow range. Honestly, I love the packaging. And now let's just open it up. Wow, so basically this gives me a bit of information about each of the products, which I'm guessing are going to be wrapped up inside here. Yep. So the first product we've got is the Slick Day Brow. Second product is the Brow Blade. And then the third product is the Big Bush Brow. Honestly, I'm so excited to try these products out. So I've literally just cleansed and moisturised my face. I honestly feel so nice and fresh. So the first product that I'm going to be going in with is the Slick Day Brow. Now this is going to lift my brows and give them the laminated look. Now on this brush you can see you've got like the bristle side and the smooth side. Now I'm just going to be using both of these sides just to add the product on in the first place and then just brush my brows up. Oh, there we go. Right, now I'm quite happy with that side, so I'm going to be going in with the product but on the other side. I don't normally do brow lamination on myself. I used to have it done, like I used to actually go and pay somebody to do it a couple of years ago. But then I started doing like a lot of TV and film work, and when I was doing periods they don't really like you to have the modern look, so false nails come off, eyelashes come off, eyebrows go back to normal. So yeah, I just stopped paying for it. I've still got gel nails on now, but I literally do them myself, so I can easily just take them off if I get booked for a job. And that's why I absolutely love these products, because I can give myself the brow lamination, but literally for a day. And then I can take it off and then I can do it again. It's great. I'm not losing out on any money. Right, so as you can see, my brows now obviously look laminated. Now, the next product I'm going to be using is the Brow Blade, which looks like this. Now, this is a dual end blade. The first end is the waterproof pencil, which I'm going to be starting off with, which looks like this. And I'm literally just going to be using this product to underline my brows, just as I normally would when I go to fill them in. Now, it doesn't have to look too defined because we are obviously creating a laminated look. I'm going to slightly overline them here just because I feel like my brows look completely different in general. I think I might have overplucked that side a bit too much a while ago. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to be using the other end of the blade, which is the ink stain. Now this just looks like one of those flicky marker pens. I'm not going to be putting loads of this product on because I don't want to fill in my brows too much, but I'm just going to fill in like just a few gaps. There we go. I think I might just go back in with a pencil and just like make a few flicks here. It's a bit difficult because when basically Urban Decay reached out to me to send me these products, they asked me to choose my shades, and I've never used Urban Decay products before. Well, I have, but I've not used the brow range before, so I had no idea like what shade I would be. So I had to guess, and to be fair, I do think I've picked a very similar colour. Like my brows are like a very dark brown. They're not black, but they do look black sometimes. So I didn't want to pick black because I've used black products before and they're way too dark. So I just picked like a brown, and I do think it it blends in pretty well, but just when you look up close you do think, oh, I don't know. So yeah, I'm trying. Now the final product that I'm going to be going in with is the Big Bush Brow, and this product is just going to tint my brows a bit more and give them a bit of volume. I don't want to use too much of this product. I'm actually quite happy with how they look at the minute. Maybe do with a bit more volume here. Just don't want to lose that laminated look. Right, I am actually happy with those brows. Oh my god, I love them. Like, oh wow. So basically I've not done the rest of my makeup yet. I wanted to do my brows first because, as you can see, like, especially when I was doing this part here, I was thinking if I get any like makeup like around here, then it's just going to smudge like the foundation and everything. So yeah, I'm now going to be doing my makeup and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Ta-da! This is the final look once all of my makeup is complete. I am very happy that I decided to go in with the brows first and not the makeup. I do think like the product Slip Day Brow, as this is a clear product, you can see it's a clear gel, you want to keep this product clear. If I went in with this after doing my makeup, obviously it would have loads of foundation in. If I went in with it after the Big Bush Brow, it would end up with loads of the tint in it. I just feel like you need to do the brows first and then go in with the rest of the makeup. But yeah, I'm really happy with these products. I feel like having laminated brows, it makes me look a bit older. I don't know that that is the case or not, but I think it's just because it's something like so different to what I'd usually do. I literally usually just use a pencil and colour in my brows really quickly and then that's it, which I feel like is a bit boring, like especially when you do it all the time. So yeah, now I feel like I'm going to start using these products a lot more, laminating my brows, getting that bit of like a different look. And yeah, overall I'm really, really happy. My favourite product is, like, out of all three of them, I would probably say the Slip Day Brow, because that's the one that actually gives you the laminated look. I am obviously happy with the other two products as well, because you do kind of need all three of them to create this look. Obviously, like, you could go in with other brow pencils and tints, but I don't know, I feel like using the same products gives like that finished look where you can tell like it looks like really clean and aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, if you're gonna try out this range, I would definitely purchase all three products. It is quite difficult choosing the shades, I've got to admit, but I think just basically compare them to like different websites, compare them to any other brow pencils you've ever used before, and just see if you can come up with like a similar shade. For the Slick Day Brow, this is a clear product, so it doesn't have a shade, it's just a clear one. For the brow blade, I got shade Neutral Nana. You can just see that there. And then for the Big Bush Brow, which is the tint and volume, I went for the Dark Drapes. Hopefully you can see that, hopefully it focuses. But yeah, so I did struggle a bit choosing the shades, but overall I'm happy. I feel like they do suit like my skin tone and my brow hairs and the rest of my makeup. I feel like it looks fine. When I first put it on, I was a bit like, oh god, like especially the ink stain, that did look a bit too light. I feel like it looked quite auburn, and I feel like my brows are more like dark brown black, so it did look a bit standy outy. But I think once everything's finished and you've gone in with like the brow tint, I think it looks fine. So yeah, I just have a bit of like a play around with the shades. Even if you go into the stores and you're shopping the shades in there, you know, see if there's any testers, see if you can just kind of test them. Overall, very happy. Definitely 100% recommend these products to anybody who wants to try brow lamination. Thank you so much to Urban Decay for choosing to work with me again. I'm honestly so grateful. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also comment in the comment section any other videos you'd like me to do, whether that's makeup tutorials, travel videos, clothing hauls, absolutely anything. Comment below, and if it's something that I feel like, yeah, I'd love to do that, obviously I'll film the video. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!